Greetings gastronauts, this is KeefCooks. I'm Keef and today I'm going to do something really tasty and really simple. I'm going to make cod en papillote with cream and caper and lemon juice sauce. Oh yeah. So I'm pretty sure you know what cod is, but you might not know what en papillote means. It is French for in paper or in parchment, as in parchment paper. It's basically wrapped in an envelope of parchment paper, which we call greaseproof paper, and cooked in the oven, and it kind of steams in its own juices, and it's delicious. So it's pretty straightforward. If you enjoy this video, give it a like, share, subscribe, etc. And let's get on with it. Cod en papillote avec le sauce de them things. So for the cod, I've got 2 bits of cod. These are quite nice and thick, but they're also quite tiny. They're about 140 grams each, but you know, that'll be fine. A teaspoon or 2 of capers and a lemon, and also a couple of sheets of greaseproof paper. I need to show you what we do with that first. So grab a bit of paper, fold it in half, and draw half a heart shape on it. And cut that out with your scissors. You can actually use this technique with aluminium foil instead of paper if you want, in which case you probably wouldn't do this. There you go. One nice anatomically correct heart. Now slice your lemon and get the pips out. And you want to dry the fish a little bit and just have a good feel to see if there's any bones. If there's any bones left in, get them out. Because we don't want them, but we don't mind the skin on the back. So get one of your paper hearts, put a little bit of lemon on one half and a piece of fish over it. Then some butter, some capers, and a couple more slices of lemon. And a few more capers. Okay, and just start folding and working your way around the edge of the package. And if you can arrange it so you've got 2 or 3 layers of paper folded over at the edge, that will make a much better seal. Okay, there we go, and then twizzle that end bit under and hope that that stray caper doesn't mess things up. Anyway, there we go, that's one package. I'll do the other one. There we go, 2 nice looking packages. I don't know why one is so much bigger than the other one, but it is. Anyway, you need to heat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for a fan oven, convection oven, or air fryer oven, and that's 200 for a conventional one, and that gas 6. And these go in for 20 minutes and then they're done. I told you it was simple. Alright, 20 minutes is up, let's have a look. Oh, they've puffed up quite nicely and only a teeny bit of liquid has escaped, so that's very good. Alright, I'm going to open a parcel, and when you do this be very careful because you know hot steam will escape and could injure you. So actually I don't want to lose any of the liquid that's in there, so I'm going to do it in a pan because that's going to be the basis of a really nice sauce. There we go. You see the fish is really well cooked, it's flaking and falling apart. So I've got the liquid and the capers in the pan. I'm going to warm that on the stove and add a big lump of butter and then some cream and just whisk that, and hopefully it will thicken somewhat and become very tasty. And I'm going to add about a teaspoon of dill because that is a flavour that really goes well with fish. Right, taste test time. So You can put the cod back in the paper and put the sauce over it, and that looks a bit unusual, appealing. Oh yeah, yeah, the sauce, that is pretty zingy with lemon juice and the capers, and creamy with the cream. And I expect it's buttery with the butter as well. So it's a bit dramatic, but incredibly simple and quick, and really tasty. So have a go. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.